Hi, Renew Namamane, which is a Bangalore-based company. My name is Yogi. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the company. We are a renovation management company. We take care of end-to-end renovation services. When I see this, the first people ask is, are you guys architects? The answer is no. We are not contractors. We are not interior decorators either. So what are we? We actually sort of fill in the gap between all of these. We take care of residential or commercial spaces after the structure is done. It could be new houses or new commercial spaces or the existing ones where requires repair and renovation services. Here we give the complete transparency to the clients, and that is the entire business model is built on the transparency. When I say that, normally today when people going in for home renovations, the architects don't take it up. We respect the work of the architect. Typically, you may not need too much of an architectural design work there. So there are only two options in this case, right? So you either go into a contractor and then give the entire piece of work, and the contractor charges per square feet and agrees on the type of material that they are going to go with, right? So you don't really have too much of flexibility out there, and the cost definitely is a factor in every renovation. So most of the homeowners actually want to have a feel of what they want to choose, get the best material. See, it's not just the budget. You'll be happy to spend on something that is 200 and you're very sure the material costs 200, right? So that's where we come in. We give the complete transparency. We give the customers the option for different vendors. We manage the vendors. You pay the vendors directly. We take care of connecting all these dots. We manage the entire project from the beginning till the end. So what's the advantage for the customer? One is a project time. Let's say you must have estimated it's going to take about 8 months, 10 months. And most of the project end up becoming about 5 to 6 months of delay. We control that, and that you save cost, by the time you save the cost. And then the material, as I mentioned again, you pay exactly what it costs. So what is it that we are getting? We just charge the services fee, right? To take care of all of this and then maintain your budget, maintain the timeline, give you that particular quality, and then giving you that beautiful home that you have aspired to get it within a time frame. Okay, so that is Renew. And I would request all of you to actually get in touch with us, go into our website and look into it. Contact us. We are available. We are a team of professionals, who actually wants to bring in this in an unorganized sector, want to bring in some sort of an organized way of doing things and helping individual homeowners or officers to actually get in their dream space, and which we call it Nama Money. Thank you.